ask the little lady how she's doing. If everything's okay. Want to ask if everything's okay with you?
Everything's okay with me.
All right.
Wanted to say hello. We're so excited. This is our first day on the road. We've been looking forward to this for such a long time. So we're finally here. And, you know, everybody says there are going to be a few glitches along the way, but we weren't quite prepared for the amount of glitches that we would have today. We started out, we thought we would leave at 8 o'clock. Well, it was about 9:15. We expected that. We heard that from other YouTubers. So it took us a while to get ready.
We pulled out about 9:15.
About 9:15.
Had a little problem with the electronics right from the get-go. I couldn't get the backup camera and the side cameras to work. And we were trying to get our navigation system online so we can, you know, plot our course and enter some of our vehicle information into it. Well, she had to get online to register and do all
Debbie.
this. Yeah, of course, we're together. We're in the video. So anyhow, she's working on that. I finally realized that, again, you have to have your lights on in order to power the cameras, because the cameras get its power from the side lights and you know, the running lights. So once I did that, I got it to work. Of course, I was already headed east on Southern, so I got to watch that. But of course, she was a little concerned because I wasn't always watching ahead.
Yeah. This is a common problem.
But I eventually turned it off and paid attention.
He did.
We were all right.
He was fine.
The bacon was frozen, so that's the best I can do.